guys, in this video we're going to talk about building a company worth working for. Stick around, we'll show you what it's all about. What's up guys, my name's Aaron. We're here in our shop, Exterior Pro, video number 9 of the training series. And in this video, we're going to talk about the fact that you're going to train these guys and you're going to get this nice crew. Well, what if they don't stay at your company? Well, then you've got a big problem because then you've wasted a bunch of time. Well, you've got to build a company, in my opinion, that is worth working at. As you build your training program, you also have to build a retention program. So I don't want all you guys to go out there and just train a bunch of guys for your competition to take them. I want you to train a bunch of guys so that you can keep them for the long term. They can grow in your company, they can start sweeping the floor, and they can finish like running your whole operation, being your like main right-hand man. Now that's an awesome story if that can happen. So how do you do that? So in addition to building this training package that you're going to put together for your particular brand and your guys at your company, you're going to have to also think about how do you retain these guys. So you should be putting into place, alongside your training package, certain other benefits as your company grows and you get better, things that you can do for these guys that are going to help them stay. So like competitive wages, all these things, moving guys up, benefits, 401ks, all these things. I think it's crucial. I don't think you can have a good training program and not have the vision for you to grow. And maybe you have the training program, or you need a training program, and you don't even have the money for all those benefits. You can't afford them. That's okay, but you better have the vision, because if your training program works, you're going to need to retain the guys. So I don't think you can just be heavy on training and not on the building of your company side, making things more comfortable. You've got to really, as you plan your training, plan ways to keep your guys and make things comfortable. You know, I train guys and I make them good, and they can leave at any time. And I tell them the skills that I'm going to give you are so transferable. If you can work for me, dude, you can work for anybody, and they'll probably make you a boss. You might be like a mid-range, maybe foreman in training for me, and you go to another company, they'll probably make you a superintendent because I'm so hard to work for, I'm so demanding. That's probably what it is. They don't leave me because I've got a nice operation, I've got a lot of good benefits for them. It's a nice, comfortable place, they're paid well, and they stick around. But they can leave at any time, and they know that they can, but they're not gonna find a thing like as good as I do. And I tell them, I said, hey dude, you find something better than what I got going on right here. I said, you tell me, I'll quit and I'll go with you. We'll just quit together and we'll go. Hey, I want it to be the best company, the best atmosphere, the best tools, the best equipment, the best practices. I want it alongside the training package, guys. You've got to have the vision for your company of how you're going to retain these guys as they grow. So as they grow, you don't want them to outgrow your company. That's really what the thread is. You grow these guys, and then all of a sudden you turn around and they're better than you. Not craftsmanship wise, but they're just better. They can do better than you. Well, I didn't have that problem because I put together a plan where I can train guys, and as they grow, we grow in benefits. We grow in creature comforts, things that other companies don't have that we have that are nice. And they say, man, if I quit here, I'm gonna have to go down here, and that's terrible down there. Those guys are suffering, and that's why they don't leave. All right, guys, one last thing. So if you say to yourself, well, you know what, I can't provide benefits right now. I don't have a whole lot of money to pay. I don't have a lot of this. No problem. Don't get discouraged. One of the best things that I think that you can offer to a guy to come work for you and stay is the training. So if you can train a guy and you can say to a guy, hey, look, man, I'm a good craftsman. I know how to do things. This is my career. I can teach you things that will help you move your life forward and give you some trade skills. You should come to work for me. That is enough reason for a lot of people to come work for you. And that's a great thing to have. So as you build and train guys, then you can add the benefits. But if you don't have benefits, training can be one of your #1 benefits, guys. So whether you're a big company or small company, man, you cannot live without the training. It's such an important part, and it can be one of your most important assets or things that you offer, guys. Think about you. Why are you even watching these videos? If you didn't want to be trained for free, you wouldn't even be watching YouTube. People watch YouTube all the time to learn stuff. People will come to work for you to learn stuff. Guys, use the training as an asset to your business and a benefit to your workers, not only to help them, but to help you. It'll work for you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.